Assalamualaikum. Let's make chaska tikka. Namak 2 tablespoon, लाल मिर्च 2 tablespoon, कश्मीरी लाल मिर्च 2 tablespoon, जीरा, हल्दी, oregano is optional if you have, so you can put some little bit of kali mirch, orange food color for best color, green chili paste, ginger garlic paste, fresh coriander, some oil, vinegar for sour taste. Just mix it well and marinate it for 6 hours or till night also. Now take pan, oil, put your chicken in it and let it fry for 5 minutes. Heat up your coal very well. Now put oil on it and cover it for the best taste. Now open it and enjoy your chicken chaska.